Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the red ALOX version of the midshipman. This version is solid red ALOX compared to the silver logo versions we did on the other knives. There was already videos about different colors and in detail as well of the midshipman, so in this video I feature only the color. Nice red. On the back side we have the engraving plate and the big cutout for the marlin spike. It is a 3-layer Swiss Army knife. The handle length is 93 mm, like the soldier and the farmer. That much about the red ALOX midshipman.